In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GitHub Desktop and clone a repository. This will be a straightforward guide for those of you who are new to GitHub Desktop or need a refresher on how to get everything set up correctly. First things first, let's talk about downloading GitHub Desktop. To do that, simply go to the official GitHub Desktop website. Once you're there, find the download button and click it to begin the process. After the download finishes, you'll need to run the installer. Just like many other software installations, this part should be pretty intuitive. Follow any on-screen prompts until the installation is complete. Once it's done, go ahead and launch the GitHub Desktop application. Now that you've got GitHub Desktop open, it's time to sign in with your GitHub account. You'll see an option to log in. Simply enter your GitHub credentials and sign in. This step is crucial because it links GitHub Desktop with your online GitHub account, allowing you to manage repositories easily. Let's move on to the main event, cloning a repository. GitHub Desktop makes this process very user-friendly. If you want to clone your own repository, you'll start by navigating to the File menu in GitHub Desktop. From there, click on Clone Repository. This will bring up a new window with several options. In this window, you'll want to select the github.com tab. This tab will display a list of your repositories. Once you see the list, find and select the repository you wish to clone. This part is easy as it shows all the repositories associated with your GitHub account. After selecting the repository, you'll need to choose a local folder on your computer where you want the project to be stored. You can create a new folder if you don't have a specific location in mind. Think carefully about where you want this, as it can help keep your projects organized. Finally, after setting the local folder, click on the Clone button. GitHub Desktop will then download the repository files to your selected location, and you'll be all set. And there you have it. You've successfully installed GitHub Desktop and cloned a repository to your local machine. With these steps completed, you can now start working on your projects locally and use GitHub Desktop to commit changes, push updates, and manage different branches easily. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.